Today we're breaking down the machine learning process, the exact steps you'll follow whenever you build an ML model. In step 1, which is called data preprocessing. Here we import the data, clean it, and split it into training and test sets. In this course, our data is already clean, so we can focus on building models. But in real life, data cleaning is a critical step that can make or break your project. Next comes modeling, the fun part. This is where we build the model, train it with our training data, and make predictions. Throughout the course, you'll work with different types of models and get hands-on practice building them. Finally, we have evaluation. This is where we measure performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, or others, and decide whether our model is performing well enough for its purpose. And that's it, the 3 core steps of machine learning process: data preprocessing, modeling, and evaluation. Next, we will be touching these in detail with examples. By the end of this course, you'll have a real hands-on experience by applying these steps to your own projects. So stick around because this is where your ML journey gets exciting. See you in the next lesson.